In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the button text on your Typeform form to better suit your brand or messaging. Whether you want your buttons to be more personalized or just want to adjust the language to better fit your audience, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. To begin, you'll need your computer ready and an internet browser open. Start by navigating to typeform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and create a form first, but if you're already set up, just log right into your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll see a list of all your forms. Take a moment to locate the form you want to edit. This could be a survey, a registration form, or any other type of form you've already created. Go ahead and click on that form to open up the editor. This will bring you to the main area where you can customize all aspects of your form's appearance and behavior. Next, let's head over to the settings. Look at the toolbar, usually found at the top or side of the editor. Here you'll notice a gear icon, which is universally recognized as the settings option. Click on this gear icon to open up your settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the section labeled Language. This is where you'll be able to control the language used throughout your form, including instructional text and system messages. Click Language to open up these options. Now scroll down until you find the section titled System Messages. This part of the settings controls various bits of automatic text that Typeform uses, such as button labels and prompts. Keep scrolling until you find the specific text fields for buttons. These might be labeled something like Button to Send Typeform or something similar, depending on the version or updates to Typeform's interface. With these fields visible, decide how you'd like to update your button text. Maybe you want to make it more inviting, or perhaps you want to clarify what clicking the button will do. Click directly on the text you want to change. This action will let you type your preferred button wording right into the field. Once you've finished editing the button text to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button in the vicinity, so go ahead and click that. To ensure your new button text appears for all users, you'll also need to publish your form. Click Publish and your updates will go live immediately. That's it. You've just learned how to personalize the button text on your Typeform form, making it uniquely your own and improving the user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.